I'm Hannah, I do video game development, and one of my favourite things about the course is like the freedom you get with it, and like you learn new things as well, so it's like a really good course too. Some of the things I've learned on the course is how to use Unity and like how to build a game, as well as like how to follow tutorials and be more free and like use the internet more if I'm like stuck on stuff. That's like one thing. And I will also learn like, it also like builds your confidence up as well, like being able to do it by yourself, so it's like good. What I'm working on now is my end of year project, and it's where you have to build a game yourself and like decide what it is and like what you want to make for it. So like mine's a fantasy platform game, and I did all the art for it, and I'm just making a video for it now that I can put alongside my work so like people can see it, me like playing it and what it's like. The reason I chose this course here was because video games is something that had interested me for like a long time, but I regretted not doing anything to do with computers in secondary school. So I thought coming here, because I was looking at other courses at other colleges to do video games, but they were more like art based, and you didn't learn as much. But with this course you get to code as well as make games and the art and things like that, so you like generally learn more skills over like the 2 years than other places were offering. I feel also like it gives you a lot of other skills, not just like with video games, but like also like website design and like how to like design things marketed at a certain type of people, and it really shows you how to like get out there as like, well as it gives you a lot of general skills, like not just making video games but other things to do with the internet and software design and stuff like that, which I find also like really helpful because it gives you like a bunch of skills that you can learn for different jobs or different things that you might want to do in the long run. So it's like not very restricting, it gives you like a lot of things that you can do in the long run.